Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to publish your Zotero library. And what does this mean? It means that anything that you have in your library will be made public to anyone who visit Zotero website, official website zotero.org here. So what you want to do, head over to the official website zotero.org, and if you have an account, go ahead and sign into your account. Click your profile name in the upper right hand side and click on settings. Now on the left hand side you want to go down to where it says privacy, and here you have an option at the top. There's three options really. You can choose the option that says publish entire library. Once you check this box, you'll be able to publish your entire library here. And you can see in the fine prints here that it says that once you make these changes here, your entire library will be made available public to anyone who visits zotero.org, right? So that's it, guys. So you can also go ahead and choose to make your notes public, and also you can choose if you want to hide them from search engine. It's really up to you, but you have these three options here that you can choose from. But that's it. Go ahead and make your entire library public. This is all you need to do. Go ahead and check this box and click on update settings. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.